Okay, we're gonna do the right side now. Pull the little, snap the little rod holder out. Wiggle the headlight out gently. Now push one side in. Okay, we're gonna get that turned in a little. It goes gently. There we go. And we're gonna set that up there gently and leave it up there for a minute. Okay, we got our headlight tied up with our rubber stubber so we don't have to pull the lights out of it again. We're gonna lower the camera down here so we can do this again. We can look in here and see the little tab is right here where the screwdriver is. How about a little more light? There we go. And we're gonna push that in and slide this whole assembly out. We'll have to set the camera down to do it. But that's what I'm gonna push in. It's just a little plastic tab, and the whole the whole daytime running light turn signal comes out. Yeah, this one's full of water. You can see the moss growing on it. It's full of water. It's leaking at the seam. Couldn't really tell where it was leaking. That one daytime running light is burnt out. As you can see, the black bulb there. We're gonna put a new one in. That bulb looks pretty good. Turn signal bulb looks pretty darn good. There we go. And you can see, just driving a couple days, it filled up with water again. The seal's broken around here somewhere. I don't know how much these are at Chevrolet, but I paid $12 a piece for new ones delivered to the house. Okay, we got a new daytime running light bulb here. Maybe you can hold that light bulb temporarily for me. Thank you very much. This thing's loose at the socket. They call this what, a 4157 LL. I think it's the wrong one because that whole thing is burnt. And I looked these up, and it's supposed to take a 4111 or 4114 LL. That thing is just toast. So that was probably why that one burnt out, because it was the wrong one. I'm not sure. But anyway, that thing's pretty well kind of set on fire there. We'll put that one in. That's the one it's supposed to have. We looked it up to double check. Now we'll get our light assembly back, and we'll snap the bulbs in, and we'll reinstall it on this side, and we'll be almost done. Okay, daytime running light goes in the, remember, brand new assembly, looks just like the factory one. Oh, take that little tab off for me so I can put that bulb on. All right, remember, $12, including shipping, brand new, delivered to the house. I have to keep saying that because I can't hardly believe it. Let's put these in. They take about a quarter of a turn twist. Make sure the gasket's in place. Okay, we got this in here, and we're gonna snap it in place. Right there. We're gonna snap that little tab right into the plastic part of the core support. So here we go. And it's in. Da, 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 da. Now we're gonna put the headlight back in. We really are. We'll crank the camera up here. See that go back in. Took our little rubber snubber off. This just fits. Kind of goes right in until these line up. They go in. Snap one in place. Next one down. Snapped in place. Now we'll test our turn signal and park light. Real quick to make sure everything's working. There our turn signal's working, and there our park light is working, side and front. Let's try that turn signal one more time just for fun. Oh, that thing's bright. Okay, looks cool. 2 brand new turn signals, 24 bucks, post-paid to the house. Took the old ones out because one was full of water and one was full of moss. And put these new ones in, they look pretty good. Hopefully they'll last. Thanks for watching.